Alex here, and in this video I want to show you the high quality of detail that Skema delivers when you sync your design to Revit. So in the export, you get the model and you'll get the entire massing with the site context included in it. Now, in the massing itself, you'll see we get the specific exterior elements, walls, windows, and balconies fully developed and fully embedded within our model. Now, each one of these design catalog elements or units within the projects are model groups. So they will behave as you'd expect model groups to behave within Revit. For example, I could select one of them, say this 3-bedroom corner unit here, and if I wanted to make a change or a quick edit to it, for example, let's go in here and let's just alter a piece of furniture. How about this couch right here? I'll just slightly move it over, easily make that change to that model group. I'll finish it off. And what it will do is it will make those edits and those changes to all other model groups in the project or all other corner units that I have within my project, such as right here. So what you have is a high quality BIM model with high quality Revit data for the residential tower and the hotel tower. And it was produced in a fraction of the time it typically takes to model a schematic design in Revit. And Skema develops masses for the podium, amenity spaces, and utilities, and they're open and ready for continued development in Revit. A pro tip is that the design catalog is created with a Revit template file, meaning any standardized design sheets, views, details, whatever it may be that your firm has, can be included in your Skema project when you bring it into Revit. Skema is a fast-forward button for design. It lets designers reuse their previous project data to make more informed designs, decisions, and quickly generate detailed projects and designs.